सदके जी वारी जनाब जिथे भी प्रोग्राम तुसी देख रहे हो अपने घरां च देख रहे हो किते रेस्टोरेंट किते किते जा रहे सारे बिल्कुल उत्थे देख रहे हो और जेड़े शहर विच देख रहे हो और जेड़ी कंट्री दे विच देख रहे हो थोड़ा सब दा ही स्वागत करांगे जी आया नु कहांगे जी सदके एक बार फिर कहांगे तुहानू पता है अपने सितारे प्रोग्राम दे विच साडे बड़े कलाकार आंदे ने एक्ट्रेसेस आंदे ने और राइटर्स आंदे है हिंदी सिंगर्स आंदे है हॉलीवुड बॉलीवुड लॉलीवुड हर एक जगह तो आंदे है और साडे कोल डीजेस आंदे है और साडे म्यूजिशियंस आंदे है और साडे कोल भंगड़े वाले गिद्धे वाले यू नेम इट तुसीं कहोगे आई वारी दस दी मैं तां ही दसदी हां साडे जिहड़े नवे व्यूअर्स नाल जुड़ते हैं उन्हां नूं पता लगे कि साडे कोल कौन कौन आंदा है लेकिन जो अज मेरे कोल कलाकार आए ने सिंगर आए ने उन्हां दी मैं की गल करां He's so good, he's fantastic and he has got beautiful voice and he's down to earth person. Great, one and only Hitesh Joshi. He's a singer and he's a DJ. Welcome.
Hello, thank you, namaste.
Namaskar, kaise ho?
Bas, I'm very good.
You're good?
Yes.
You're looking so nice.
Thank you.
I like your jacket.
Thank you very much. Yeah, just for the occasion.
Suits you.
And yourself as well, as always.
Oh, thank you, as always.
As always, always.
Thank you. But it's nice combination.
Thank you.
Black and blue.
Yeah, absolutely. Works well.
Yeah, so how's things?
I'm good, yeah.
Seen you after a long time.
Very long time.
Where you been, hey? You're busy with your
Yes,
programs.
I am, yes.
That's right.
where all the time has gone.
It's true. Lockdown में तो नहीं कर रहे होंगे program.
Been sitting at home getting bored, you know.
Getting bored.
Yeah, the vocal is getting a bit rusty. It's good to come out.
रस लग तभी तो आज बुला लिया कि रस न लग जाए.
Plenty of lubrication today.
That's right. नजर न लग जाए किसी की राहों के छुपा के रख लूं तुझे निगाहों में कि हो न जाए. आगे नहीं करेंगे.
Very good. Yes.
दोस्तों आज हितेश थानू सुनाएंगे हिंदी गाने. ही इज़ अ ग्रेट सिंगर. मैं जिस तरह थानू दस्सिया कि आज पूरा एंटरटेनमेंट होएगा इहदे नाल गलबात असी करांगे बट ही कांट स्पीक पंजाबी but I will ask him if he can sing Punjabi bit of song but he will sing Hindi songs and Bollywood songs. You know, so that's why I said entertainment. Yes. So Hitesh, yeah, and he does a lot shows. He's always busy with the shows. How become that? You know, some singer says we don't get shows.
No.
And you are always busy. I have noticed that.
It's taken a long time, you know. I think as people know who you are,
that's right.
You know, we get more and more people trusting in you, and then they give us more bookings, and then
word
it's just word of mouth. That's all it is.
Yeah,
you know,
that's right.
They just contact you. But it's taken a long time.
It takes a long time. They see your ability first.
Yes.
Yeah. But I have seen you so many times on stage.
Yeah, you've seen me plenty of times. Absolutely.
That's right. And I have noticed that you sing so well. And you keep crowds very entertained and they dance with your songs and all that. You know?
I think that's the main thing.
That's the main thing.
You've got to know what to play, what to sing. Keep people on the dance floor all night long. And
okay, before we go further, let's have one song first so people should know your voice that I'm saying so much about you.
No problem.
So they would like to see that. Jadoo.
Well, my inspiration is Udit Narayanji.
Okay.
I started many years ago. I watched his films and I heard this fresh voice come from nowhere, and I thought, who is this guy? And gradually I started doing his songs, and then
other singers,
Rafi Saab and Kishore. Very frightened in the early days, but
you said Kishore on my side. I said Muhammad Rafi is my side.
Yes. Oh, they're both equal. They're very unique.
That's right.
You cannot compare
unique.
Rafi to
they are all.
Kishore.
They were unique.
But one of my early songs was Udit Narayanji. Very nice romantic song.
Come on, let's have that.
And it's something like this. Pehla nasha, pehla khumar, naya pyar hai, naya intezar, kar loon main kya apna haar, ए दिले बेकरार, मेरे दिले बेकरार, तू ही बता, पहला नशा, पहला खुमार.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. आता है पहला स्टैंजा, पहला इसका जो आगे है पहली लाइनें आती हैं. कम ऑन.
उड़ता ही फिरूं इन हवाओं में कहीं, या मैं झूल जाऊं इन घटाओं में कहीं, एक कर दो आसमां ओ ज़मीन, क्या हो यारो क्या करूं क्या नहीं, पहला नशा पहला खुमार, नया प्यार है नया इंतजार,
कर दूं मैं इसका
सुनाओ।
हार। दोस्तों, पहला नशा पहला खुमार पहला प्यार, कर दूं मैं क्या इसको। लेकिन बहुत ही खूबसूरत गीत। आई थिंक उदित नारायण, ही इज अ ग्रेट सिंगर एज वेल,
He is. Very
he's
down to earth
fantastic.
guy.
Yeah,
And-
like you.
Thank you. He's,
I mean, you are doing DJs as well.
Yes, I
so
do.
did you start DJs first or singing first?
a little bit of both actually.
Okay.
I started singing in the early days, only at the local communities, and our
Okay.
own local community. I was too scared to go on stage.
Okay, tell me your struggle days.
My
Yeah.
struggle days.
Yeah.
So I started off playing music. I play the keyboards, I play the harmonium.
Okay, you
And
play all the instruments.
I play all the instruments as well.
Okay.
So I did my riyaz and my own sort of rehearsals. I didn't have a guruji, and so I was naturally taught by myself and by listening to all the music as well
Music.
throughout the years. And slowly I started doing community shows. I went to sing my first song and I couldn't even hold the mic. Mic is like this. Shivering, looking on the floor and singing.
Okay.
You know, I
Aw.
couldn't look at people. And I did that.
You
for-
weren't sure that you were
I
singing
wasn't
okay.
sure. Absolutely. You know, making sure the words come out, or you know, your pronunciations.
That's
Me
right.
being a Gujarati, you know,
Being Gujarati.
it's very difficult. You know.
Okay.
So I did that for 2-3 years, just with the community to get an idea of how things were.
And that was your practice.
That was my practice. Then I did my first show.
Don't tell your secrets. People will say, "Oh, he's been made a fool."
Yes, no. But it was there. It was good.
Yeah,
and,
it was good. You
and-
always start from somewhere.
Of course. And then I did a couple of shows, and confidence started coming. You know, I was more lively on stage. I could look at people when I was singing. I was getting things right. And then slowly I started building on the music, and then I did a bit of DJ, mixing music and doing a bit of
Mix and
singing and
match.
a bit of mix and match.
You know, when you have all the confidence, then you think, I can do this, I can do
Yes.
that, how I can do this, you know.
Yes.
Then you put more effort to do it.
Yes.
And then you're more freely.
Absolutely.
If
the
you're not
passion-
freely doing anything, you can't make things.
No. You've got to be comfortable with yourself on
That's
the
right.
stage.
That's right.
But passion, music has always been there, you know, when I was
Yeah.
5-6 years old.
But it comes within time.
Yes, of course
It
does.
always comes within
No.
time. Some singers think, oh, overnight we should be star.
No,
Then they go down overnight.
absolutely.
After overnight.
You've got to stay humble.
Humble.
You know, you've got to stay the same all the time. Even if you become famous, maybe, you know, one day that time might come for me, but you've got to be who
No,
you
your
are.
time is there.
I try my best, yes.
Yeah. So, you know,
It
so
was a
that's
struggle.
nice.
Then I gradually had my own band. I had a live band and I had my musicians coming with me. It's called Dreams Entertainment. That's who I am.
Okay.
And
So what's the name?
Dreams Entertainment.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Okay. That's nice.
So I did that about 15 years ago. And then I started getting live shows. So I started going abroad to America and Spain and doing, you know, weddings and parties, and more confidence started coming.
Okay.
Then I went into full singing. Started learning Kishore and Rafi, and
Just
you
lis-
have to be
by
very
listening.
versatile.
By
Yes,
listening?
but just by listening, you know, just putting the tape on, writing the words down, and just sing, and keep singing and singing and singing. You know, just ek song. You know, I used to just pick one song and just carry on singing and
Thousand
singing and
times.
singing 1,000 times.
Yeah,
Until it's
that's how
right,
we
you
learn.
can't go on stage. You know. And now you have to be versatile. You know, anyone will request a song, and you know you've got to know most
Oh,
of the
you
songs.
got to know. You know.
And you know,
many people-
but that's a 15-20 year struggle.
ਦੋਸਤੋ
Amazing.
ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਸਟਰਗਲ ਸੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਹਿਤੇਸ਼ ਜੋਸ਼ੀ ਜੀ ਦੀ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤੇ, ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਗਾਣਾ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤਾ, ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਡੀਜੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤਾ। ਲੇਕਿਨ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਜਦੋਂ ਹੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੋਰ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਆਈ ਕੈਨ ਸਿੰਗ, ਓ ਯੈਸ ਆਈ ਕੈਨ ਡੂ ਦਿਸ, with anybody it happens like that. You know, when you start something, you always think, oh my god, you know, why am I doing right, am I doing wrong, or what's happening. When you get response from audience that tell you yes you can do, you know, like us lot, we are still learning. It's been 24 years, still I think I'm learning from other people. You know, whenever any singer comes, I learn a lot. So that's how Hitesh started. And where were you born?
I was born in Uganda. In
Uganda.
Africa.
So people are watching, you know, from Africa, from
Jabobana.
Uganda, Jabobana, Masuri Sana. You know, मेरे ससुराल वाले अफ्रीका से हैं ना.
अच्छा.
Of
Right.
course.
Oh, good.
He born in Nairobi.
Oh, wow. A lot of people came from Africa, yes.
Yeah, that's
Yes,
right.
yes.
You know, so that's what I'm saying.
And they're full of entertainment. They love music.
Even from India, people they love music.
Of course they do. Yes.
I'm from India.
Yes.
But don't say anything from
No,
Indian. I will kill you.
No.
I'm only joking. Yeah, Africa, they love old Hindi songs.
Yes, they do. Yes.
But why is that?
I don't know. I think
They are not into much modern songs.
No, not at all.
Yeah, why?
I think back in the days, I think it's same with my parents. You know, my dad is a great fan of Raj Kapoor and Mukesh and Shami Kapoor. You know, the ladies used to be that fan. And in those days, you only had Rafi Saab and Kishore and Mukesh.
Yeah.
So I think that's evergreen.
They are used to it.
They're used to that.
Yeah.
They see new songs, and you know, in the last 5-10 years, there's been very limited new songs. Fantastic singers, but the old golden songs, they stay in your heart forever.
That's right.
And I think, you know, when I do my DJ, and especially if there's a crowd from Africa, you know, you have to sing
Those songs.
Those songs.
You know,
They
I
love
mean, we love old songs, but you know, we go according to flow.
Flow. Yes.
As the new songs come.
Yes.
Very selective, although I am.
Yes, they are.
But we like new songs. You like,
Yes.
you know, all fast songs and
All the
sad
fast
songs
Yes.
and romantic songs.
Yes.
You know,
Yes.
all
Especially with
kinds.
Shah Rukh Khan era, and you know, once the 90s came. I mean, 90s is a big golden era.
That's right.
And
90s songs.
And again, you can sing
Fantastic.
90s songs all the time. And they were all romantic as well.
All romantic.
And I think that's what gets the crowd. But you've got to, you know, when I do a show, you judge the crowd. You get, you know, you sing for the older crowd.
So you will know what audience wants.
Absolutely.
From reaction.
Yes, and you have to do that. Otherwise, you lose the attention, and then they start getting bored. So whether I'm DJing, even when I DJ, you know, I'll play everything, Dam Maro Dam, you know, all the old songs, Helen songs, and Shami Kapoor.
All right.
Because this is what people still love all these songs.
Oh yeah. Still love people. Even youngsters, I have noticed nowadays, they love old Hindi songs.
They're requesting more and more.
More and more
Hindi
on
songs.
radio.
They
I have
absolutely,
noticed. You know,
yes.
when I play Hindi songs, youngsters they are loving it.
70s, 80s, and then you've got the 90s, and this is the way it's been.
That's
But
good.
you have to be in control always of the crowd, and confidence that, you know, whatever you're going to sing, you've got to catch that audience.
That's right.
Yeah.
You know, you always have to make audience happy because they are the first
Yes. They're your customers
contact.
as well
When
at the end of the day.
No, when you're on the stage, they
Yes.
are the first contact.
Absolutely.
You know, so then
Yes.
you do from reaction action.
Yes.
Then from
Action.
action more
Yes.
reaction.
Even your presence on stage, you know, you've got to keep talking to people and, you know, smiling away. And, you know, when you're singing and you smile, that comes from inside.
That's
And-
right. That's right. आपने ब्रेक द टाइम आ गया
अच्छा.
सो वी विल टॉक
No
ऑन
problem.
दीज थिंग्स आफ्टर ब्रेक लो दोस्तों छोटी जी ब्रेक वाले जावांगे लेकिन ब्रेक तो बाद फिर थोड़ा स्वागत करांगे जी आए नु कवांगे हितेश जोशी इज विद मी एंड ही विल एंटरटेन यू holy solely with the different songs, new songs, old songs and sad songs and romantic songs, everything. किते जाना नहीं, नेड़े नेड़े रहना, कांशी टीवी का चैनल चेंज नहीं करना 772 ते अपने सितारे लैके थोड़ी अपनी जगदीप हाजिर है सो इसे नू असी बरकरार रखांगे इस गलबात नू इन्हां नाल करांगे सो स्टे ट्यून विल बी बैक सून वेरी सून और दोस्तों ब्रेक तो बाद थोड़ा एक बार फिर स्वागत करांगे फिर जी आए ਨੂੰ ਕਵਾਂਗੇ ਜੀ ਸਦਕੇ ਜੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਜਨਾਬ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੰਨੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਿਤਾਰੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਬੜੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਔਰ ਬੜੇ ਲੋਕੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਸਾਡੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਥੋੜੀ ਕਾਮਯਾਬ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ 'ਚ ਬੜੇ ਹੀ ਕਲਾਕਾਰ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਮੈਂ ਟਾਈਮ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਹਿਤੇਸ਼ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੀਤ ਸੰਗੀਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸੁਣੀਏ ਸੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ one and only down to earth with the beautiful voice Hitesh Joshi ji welcome back
आने से उसके आए बहार जाने से उसके जाए बहार बड़ी मस्तानी है मेरी महबूबा मेरी जिंदगानी है मेरी महबूबा आज मौसम बड़ा बेईमान है बड़ा बेमान है आज मौसम, आने वाला कोई तूफान है, कोई तूफान है आज मौसम।
क्या बात है, क्या बात है, व्हाट ए इंट्रोडक्शन।
थैंक यू।
ਦੋਸਤੋ ਅੱਜ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਹਿਤੇਸ਼ ਜੋਸ਼ੀ ਜੀ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਖੂਬਸੂਰਤ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਦਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਔਰ ਕਾਂਸ਼ੀ ਟੀਵੀ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬੜਾ ਹੀ ਸ਼ੁਕਰਗੁਜ਼ਾਰ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਸਾਡੀ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਤੇ ਜੇ ਕੋਟੈਕ ਦੀ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਤੇ you must mention his name.
Absolutely,
I
yes.
mean, Jay Kotek, you are great, you are wonderful. Sharda band, you are wonderful. Because I requested them, so they requested Hitesh to come here.
Yes.
So nice of them. You know, they are wonderful people.
They are.
They are so helpful.
Absolutely.
You know, always. And I asked them, they said, so yeah, Hitesh will come.
Good.
You know, so
no, I must thank him. Yes, definitely. Thank you, Jay Kotak, for introducing me here as well. I know we've known each other for many, many years, and all of the Jay's Entertainment team, absolutely fantastic, giving me a chance, even with the Lagas last year as well.
Yeah. So, did you get any awards from Lagas?
Yes. So last year I actually was in the finalist for the best male singer, and I won, and I came first as well.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है।
So that was a good achievement, but a good experience. Yeah,
well
very
done,
good experience
well
as well.
तो अच्छा, फिर जो डीजे वगैरह शुरू किया तो आपके फिर प्रोग्राम शुरू हो गए, तो फिर उसके साथ गाने का शुरू किया, ड्यूट गाए और अकेले में गाए?
अच्छा, so with the DJ, I'd do all the singing at the start of the show. So when people are sitting down, I'd entertain them when they're having live music, yes, through backing tracks and karaoke.
Okay.
So I didn't have a live band there. And once a return and once we get up on the dance floor, I do all the DJ. So I combined everything with that.
So do you take any female singer?
I do. I work with a lot of the female singers. A lot of them have been here already on this television program.
Yes, they have been here.
Yes, a lot of singers from Leicester, fantastic singers from Birmingham as well. And I work with all of them.
That's right.
Yes.
That's
So
right. They all were wonderful. They came here,
right?
You know, and they were all great. They were all wonderful.
Yes.
Come on, मेरे को अब आया है ऑर्डर कि गाने ज़्यादा सुनो.
अच्छा.
Any romantic song?
Yes, most of them are romantic. So it's just there's so much.
Seems like you are a very romantic person.
Thank you. Oh yes. From the heart.
Thank you. Oh yes.
It has to be from the heart, you know. Absolutely, yes. I am romantic, yes. Yeah.
Why not? Why
not? Soft here and there.
इस जिंदगी में आए हैं तो कुछ अच्छा करके जाना.
कल हो ना हो.
कल हो ना हो.
Yes. Yeah, I do. I'll do some. Yeah, I think Kishore Saab is a very big fan.
Romantic person.
I'm a very big fan of himself.
All right.
A lot of the songs that he's done. I'll do Hansini. Hansini is quite a good one, and I'll do a nice Rafi Saab. I know your favorite Saab Rafi.
That's right.
Oh Hansini, मेरी हंसिनी कहाँ उड़ चली, मेरे अरमानों के पंख लगा के कहाँ उड़ चली, आजा मेरी सांसों में महक रहा रे तेरा गजरा, आजा मेरी रातों में लहक रहा रे तेरा गजरा, ओ हंसिनी मेरी हंसिनी।
क्या बात है, क्या बात है। तो नए गानों में नए सिंगर्स में से किसको पसंद करते हो? अरिजीत?
अरिजीत सिंह।
Oh, he's great.
He has to be.
He's wonderful.
Arijit and Sonu Nigam.
Sonu Nigam.
You know, he's Arijit. I don't know. You know, he just came and just impacted like a bomb.
I know. Never heard before his name.
Before.
And when he came, he just was
very
like
down to earth, very sober
simple
singer.
person.
Simple.
Very simple person.
But he makes the songs look very easy, but they're not.
But he sings very comfortably.
Yes.
You know, he doesn't seem like he's struggling and all that. You know,
he's got a lot of power. But he comes out smiling. He's always smiling as well.
That's right.
When he's singing away.
And I can see in you that, you know, you're not getting very uncomfortable when singing. You know, some singers, they feel so uncomfortable when they're singing.
Yes.
लगता है कि गला अभी जला ना जाए.
Yes. I think you've got to know yourself what your capabilities are, you know, and how to sing. And,
how your sur can go up and down.
How much power to put in, how to, you know, sing softly I think that's the technique of singing, you know.
That's right.
You know,
Well, in singing, there are so many techniques.
absolutely.
If the singer
Breathing
knows.
and
Breathing in when
In.
you're singing.
yes,
You know.
yes,
You can't breathe when you're singing.
no,
It will come in the mic.
absolutely.
Even when we are presenting, we breathe in.
Yes,
It shouldn't come
you've
in
got
the
to come
mic.
inside.
There you are. Come on, come with
Yes,
some
okay.
new song.
All right, so new song.
Arijit.
So Arijit. Okay, so I'll do a back to back. So Ashiki,
All right.
very famous film in the 90s, and then Ashiki 2 came with Arijit. So I'll do one song from Ashiki 1 and one song.
All
from
right, there you are.
So Ashiki 1 was Kumar Shanuji, which was obviously a big one.
That's right.
So I'll do back to back.
Mix.
Okay. धीरे धीरे से मेरी जिंदगी में आना, धीरे धीरे से दिल को चुराना, तुमसे प्यार हमें है कितना जाने जाना, तुमसे मिलकर तुमको है बताना,
क्या बात है.
हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा, तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो, जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो, चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. You know, Arijit, he can sing even a bit of Punjabi songs within the Hindi songs.
Yes.
Do you find difficulty when you can't speak Punjabi? I know that.
No, not at all.
So you can sing
I
those
can
songs.
sing, yeah. You know, it's about the listening. I think when you listen to a song, you've just got to sing, whether it's in Bengali or Punjabi.
Okay.
You
Do
know,
you write the words in
I
English?
write in English. Yes. All my songs are written in English.
In English, I know that.
I
Singers do
can't
that.
even read my own language. So yeah.
Okay.
So you've got to pronounce the words in English, same as how it's in Punjabi.
Okay.
So
So you write even Punjabi song in English?
yes, it has to be. You know.
That's right. So,
Arijit's "Main Tenu Samjha." You know, it's,
come on with that.
I'll try a little bit. You know.
Yeah, little bit.
Pronounce it.
Yeah.
मैं तेनू समझागी
Go ahead.
ना तेरे बिना लगदा जी, तू की जाने प्यार मेरा, मैं करा इंतजार तेरा, तू दिल तू यूं जान मेरी, मैं तेनू समझागी ना तेरे बिना लगदा जी.
Ah, it's so beautiful song.
Very nice.
Very
But I had to sing it for a few months just to get the corrections
Words,
there.
pronunciation.
Pronunciation.
You know, because that is so good when people can pronounce properly.
Yes.
Singers.
Yes.
If they can't do the good pronunciation, you know, it can spoil the song.
Yes.
Then people can tell straight away he doesn't know this
Absolutely.
language.
Then the voice has got
So-
nothing to do with it,
So
you know.
do you sing for someone, that Punjabi person?
Yes.
That am I singing okay?
Oh, absolutely. All my friends, yeah, of course.
All your all friends are
All my old
Punjabis?
friends. Yes, I've got a lot of friends. Both my sisters are in Punjabi families.
All right.
Yes.
Oh, I didn't
so,
know that.
Yeah, they're all in Punjabi families. So I'll ring the brother-in-law and you know, and all my friends and say, look, is this right? And a lot of time they'll say no. You know.
Are they watching you today?
Yes, they are. Yes. My sisters, my brother-in-laws, everyone who's watching me. Yes. My nephews.
They're Punjabis.
They're all
So
Punjabis.
your sister must be speaking Punjabi now.
Yes. Oh, yes. Many years.
Do they?
Plenty of years. Yeah.
All right. They
So
speak Punjabi.
They speak Punjabi as well. Yes.
They love Punjabi songs.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
They all are from Africa.
They're all from Africa. Yeah. We were all born.
You know, in African people, not your African,
Yes.
Indian people,
Yes.
the people come from Africa, they speak all the languages. I
Yes.
mean, Gujarati, they
Yes.
speak so fluently.
Yes. Yes.
And the Gujaratis, I have seen, they speak so much fluently Punjabi.
Yes, they do.
Then how become you didn't learn?
I didn't learn it. No. Do you know what? I've been watching Hindi films for years and years. I can understand everything. I do speak Hindi. थोड़ा थोड़ा तो मुझे आता है.
हिंदी आता है नहीं पंजाबी की बात
Punjabi, no.
not at all.
But I can understand 80%.
तो आपके जीजा जी brother-in-law
Yes,
जब
yes.
बोलते होंगे they can make you fool.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh yes, yes.
Do they?
They probably have plenty of times. Yes, yes. They're probably watching, you know. In the early days, you know, Gujarati doesn't know anything, you know. But,
Okay, so they speak with you Gujarati or English?
English,
Not Punjabi.
not Punjabi, no.
Well, they must be saying secret some Punjabi
Some things,
things.
yes, yes. Behind my back.
Okay, then your sister makes you understand what he's
Yes,
saying.
yes.
Oh.
If my sister's there, then they won't say anything because they know my sister
You
will
know,
say.
nowadays I think in this country it's all mixed
It is.
marriages.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
There's no thing like Gujarati, Punjabi,
No, no.
Bengali, English or what. It's
Everyone
all
is equal.
mixed, and then they speak each other language.
Yes.
And it's quite great.
Yeah, absolutely.
We are
I
all
agree.
human beings.
Yes,
You know.
yes.
Okay, let's have another song. मेरे को order आ रहे हैं कि ज़्यादा गाने
your
सुनो.
songs. Okay, okay. So yeah, I'm just going to think of all my favorites, you know.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Another one, Rafi Saab,
Rafi
from
Saab.
film हम किसी से कम नहीं.
अच्छा.
चांद मेरा दिल, चांदनी हो तुम, चांद से है दूर, चांदनी कहाँ लौट के आना है यही तुमको, जा रहे हो तुम, जाओ मेरी जान, वैसे तो हर कदम मिलेंगे लोग सनम, मिलेगा सच्चा प्यार मुश्किल से, हो दिल की दोस्ती खेल नहीं कोई, दिल से दिल है मिलता यार मुश्किल से, यही तो है सनम प्यार का ठिकाना, मैं हूँ मैं हूँ मैं हूँ.
क्या बात है, बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे. You know, Mohammed Rafi, I think everybody loves Mohammed Rafi. People from Africa, people from India, they all just love
Yes.
Mohammed Rafi and Lata Mangeshkar.
Absolutely.
You know.
Lata ji as well, you know.
या तो जो आपके साथ फिर गर्ल्स गाती हैं, फीमेल सिंगर,
Yes.
वो लता जी के गीत गाती हैं, and
Yes.
you sing Mohammed Rafi
Yes.
song.
Duets are very good.
Duets are
Because
very
I think
good.
back in the days,
You know,
the-
next time you are coming with female singer.
I will bring a female singer.
So all I think everybody would like to hear
Yes.
your duet songs. You know,
It's a good combination, and
Good
you know,
combination.
to have a good female. Lata ji and Asha ji, my favorites, you know. R.D. Burman Saab as well.
That's great. You know what's his name? I forgot. He's from Leicester. Who went for Rising Star?
Yes, Utkarsh.
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 Utkarsh, yes.
उसकी वाइफ भी गाती है.
Yes.
And they both came.
They're both very good.
They're both so
Yes, they
good.
are.
They
Absolutely.
both had this duet, and
Yes.
they both are good. He went for Rising Star,
Yes.
na? This
Yes, yeah, he was very good.
reality
Anu
show.
Malik and all them, yes.
That's right. He
Yeah,
met
absolutely.
everyone.
Yes.
And even Utkarsh himself, he's so down to earth.
Yes, very good.
Like you.
I think that's how you have to be. I think you've just got to go with the flow, believe in your passion, sing from your heart.
You know, हिंदी गाने मेरे को लगता है कि हार्ट से ही गाते जाते हैं.
Yes.
You can't sing without
No.
from the heart. You can't sing from there.
Yes.
You have to sing from here.
Yes. That's how it all comes out.
That's
If
right.
you just stand on stage and just sing without any emotions or feelings, you're only doing 50% of your work.
That's, you know, yesterday in my program, this lady sang हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना.
Wow.
You know, few
A
lines.
few lines, yeah.
Yeah, sure.
हमें तुमसे प्यार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना, हमें तुमसे प्यार.
तुझे कोई और देखे तो जलता है दिल.
क्या बात.
बड़ी मुश्किलों से ये संभलता है दिल.
वाह,
क्या क्या यतन करते हैं तुम्हें क्या पता, हमें इंतजार कितना ये हम नहीं जानते, मगर जी नहीं सकते तुम्हारे बिना.
Wow, क्या बात. You should join my team.
Oh yeah. No. You know, as I said, I have done vocal music
Yes.
because I didn't do any practice.
No, of course.
You know, music, it needs practice, riyaz every day.
Yes, you do. You
then
have to.
you can sing.
You have to.
Like me, I don't sing at all. You know, घर
In
में
the
भी
bathroom.
in the bathroom. Then they say, come out, come out.
Come out.
We have heard you. You know, when you're singing in the bathroom,
Yes.
you don't feel like to come out.
No, and you feel the best when you're singing. You know, you think
Then you think you are the best.
Yeah, that's it.
So, you know, with the singing, you have to need practice.
Yes, you do.
So, sometimes I feel like, you know, I should learn again and come in the singing, but now it's too late.
Just get a harmonium, sit at home and
you know,
Saregama.
You know, I know all the talans.
Wow.
Keherwa, Dadra,
Kya baat.
Ek Tal, Teen Tal, Dugan, Tigon,
Wow.
you know, or harmonium. I didn't do instrumental music.
Right.
So I can do Sapa,
Right.
then sing the rags.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. You're halfway there.
I'm already halfway.
Riyaz is main.
But Riyaz is must.
Yes.
Come on, let's have another song.
There's another one. Okay.
अच्छा कौन से shows में जाते हैं आप? What sort of songs, shows you
Shows do I do?
do?
Absolutely everything. We range from birthday parties. It could be a first birthday party, 21st birthday party.
Like mine 21st coming.
Your 21st. Yeah, it's coming. Make sure you come. Private mehfil.
Private method.
Private mehfil.
Acha.
And we do weddings, Sanjis, Jago nights,
Okay.
A to Z. You know,
A to Z.
where there's a celebration, you know, I'm there.
There you are, dosto. So book Hitesh for any function if you like Hindi songs. He doesn't sing Punjabi, but he can get Punjabi singer with him.
Yes.
But he's very, very good in Hindi songs, and for all the occasions, he can do very, very well. And have you been to other countries
Yes,
for your
plenty.
programs?
Yes. So when I first started, I went everywhere. I did Navratri, which is the 10-day festival. I went to California.
All
And
right.
I've been to America. I've been Spain, all over the world.
Wow.
Where there's Indians, that I go.
Indians are everywhere.
I go all the time. Yes.
Aloo and Indians,
Aloo
you get
and Indians.
everywhere.
Absolutely, yeah. With a bit of madras and tikka masala.
That's right,
Everything.
you get everything
Yes.
everywhere.
So it's good. Yeah, I've performed all over the world, and you know, that was in my early days. You know, when I had a bit more time.
You know, you have done one Punjabi song
Yes.
long time ago.
Yes.
Come on, give us 2, 3.
Yes, so this was a video I did. I went to Mumbai to shoot a video in 2003.
Okay.
And they played it on B4U Sony.
Oh yeah.
Very young, very sort of like a
Then
bit of
how
an
could we
amateur.
do Punjabi song that time?
But it was a Punjabi Hindi type.
Okay.
So the words were Aja Soniye.
That was only in Punjabi.
That was the only Punjabi. But
You know, I have noticed.
everyone has seen his videos.
I have noticed.
They make fun of me on these videos as well. You know, I was dressed like all different and
I have noticed some Gujarati people, they know few Punjabi words.
yes,
And they will say whoever comes front of them,
Yeah.
those Punjabi words, they will just say Aja Soniye, Hor Sonio Kidda.
yes, yeah, all that sort of thing. Yeah.
All that sort of things.
Yes,
Come
but
on.
I used to, but yeah. But so this song is my video. It's on YouTube if you want, if anyone wants to make fun of me. This. But it goes like this. आजा सोनिए प्यास बुझा दे दिल ये तेरा हो गया आजा हिरिए प्यास बुझा दे तेरे प्यार में खो गया तू है मेरी दिल की धड़कन तू है मेरी जिंदगी मेरे दिल में आग लगी है प्रेम अगन तू बन गई आजा सोनिए प्यास बुझा दे दिल ये तेरा हो गया
क्या बात है, क्या
But the
बात
beat is Punjabi. I know what you're saying.
Yeah.
It's a Punjabi beat.
It's Punjabi beat,
Yes.
but it's almost Hindi song.
Yes, almost
but
Hindi
few
songs.
words in Punjabi.
Yes. And it was actually produced by DCS Danny Charanji.
All right.
He was my manager
Danny
back in the
Charanji.
day. Yes. So Danny ji, namaste.
Long time.
Yes.
I haven't seen this person. I've
No.
heard name a lot times.
Yes.
But I haven't
He used to
seen.
do a lot of stuff and with DCS as well.
Yeah, DCS came when I was on the other station.
At the station, yes.
He came to me, DCS.
Right,
Chin,
yes.
he's great. And he sings very nice Hindi songs.
I love his songs.
Yeah. You know, he's got good mixture. Hindi, Punjabi, everything.
Yeah, he's back in, I
Some
think, in
singers,
1986. He made that Pend di Kudiyo.
Pind di Kudiyo.
Pend di Kudiyo, sanu akh mar gayi, dil na dil de jhodedar gayi.
Hey.
That was one.
Yeah, he's
he's
great.
good.
Like, so what sort of costume you wear when you go and perform on stage?
Generally, it's always formal or Bollywood style. I think you can only get away with it on stage. you
Okay.
know. I wouldn't go into a nightclub or without it. But most of the time it's formal. If I do traditional,
Sherwani.
Sherwani always.
Always.
If we do mehfils, I'll do the Sherwani as well. But always keep that presentation, you know.
Yeah, well,
Nice and
you know,
smart,
people would like to see first on
Yes,
stage
yes.
that what he's looking
Yes.
like and all
I
that.
think image is very, very, very important.
Of course, yeah.
So
Then in the mehfil, do you sing more sad songs or?
I think a lot of it's sad. In the mehfils, I usually take either another mehfil singer with me. I mean, I do sing mehfils, like, you know, Pankaj Udas and Jagjeet Singh, but a lot of them is speciality songs.
Which Jagjeet Singh you sing?
Jagjeet.
I'm getting you on the spot.
I know, on the spot.
On the spot. But if you know any.
A couple of them. I'm just thinking. Honton se.
Okay, few lines will do.
I need my book for this one, you know.
No, first two lines.
Honton se cholo tum मेरा गीत अमर कर लो.
So महफिल में ऐसे गीत.
Yes.
क्योंकि आपके पास पड़े रहते हैं ना सामने.
I've got all my words, everything as well. Then you get them all right.
Okay.
But and there's a lot of sad songs like Kishore Da and, you know, ये क्या हुआ and चांदी जैसा रंग and some of these. Yeah. So mehfils is quite lively as well.
महफिल जो लगाते हैं ना वो अफ्रीका वाले या इंडिया वाले पुराने लोग हैं ना वो पसंद करते हैं. जो आजकल के यंगस्टर्स हैं they love to dance.
Yes, they do. Yes.
And
Qawwalis as well. You know, the mehfil turns into a qawwali night as well.
Do you know any
sometimes.
qawwali words?
Not too many qawwalis, no.
No, any few words?
Any
qawwali?
no.
Because any new song youngsters are watching
new
as
songs,
well, so
new
you know,
songs,
so they should.
Mind
know.
you, new songs you've got a lot of Arjit Singh as well.
Arjit,
and,
Arjit.
Arjit Singh as well. Or I can do Sonu Ji. I think a lot of youngsters.
Yeah, okay, Sonu Nigam.
You know, it's like Kal Ho Na Ho is one of my favorite. हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो.
बिल्कुल कल हो ना हो और आपका टाइम खत्म हो.
अच्छा, already?
देख लो, आप कह रहे थे 1 घंटा और एंड में क्या मैसेज? What would you like to say?
So yeah, I'd like to thank obviously Jagjeet for bringing me here.
Kanchi TV.
And Kanchi TV and Jake as well. Thank you very, very much. I'd like to thank all my fans and everyone who's watched me throughout the years. And please carry on supporting me as well. And follow me on Facebook. I'll give you my final lines, which is Kabhi Alvida Na कहना.
हाँ, क्योंकि टाइम भागा जा रहा है. आपका एक दिखाना भी है क्लिप.
चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. दोस्तों,
हितेश जोशी जी का शुक्रिया अदा करांगे कि इत्थे आके थोड़ा एंटरटेनमेंट किया इन्होंने. और अपना ख्याल रखना, किसी का भी ख्याल रखना, ऊपर वाला थोड़ा ख्याल रखेगा. जगदीप ते हितेश नूं आगे दो, सब नूं प्यार भरी सत श्री अकाल. जय गुरुदेव.